Hello traders, hello again guys. So in today's video we are going to see the very interesting reversal pattern. The triple tap reversal. Okay, also known as the three totas pattern. The setup is simple. Just spot and give us a high probability of catching short reaction in the market. Okay, that's very simple. I recommend you to use that with Bollinger Bands. That's a good tool for you. And just try to use the Bollinger Bands line to help you with that. The idea is straightforward. When a support resistance zone is tested 3 times, that means 3 candles, right? 3 candles touch the resistance line or the support line, and that's simple. It's tends to lose strength. Okay, so when the candle passed through the middle line and touched their support right here, you can see that it started to go to the positive way. That's very good. We can see that almost every day in the live session, right? So after the third tote, the probability of a reaction increased significantly, right? Support tested 3 times is more likely to break or react. Guys, that's not work for the middle line. Remember that. If you just are using the Bollinger Bands, that's not work with this like this. Okay? Resistance test 3 times is more like that to reject the price. Okay? This repeated test ensure us the market is struggling to push beyond that level. Look at this. The candle just the first, second, the third time. We can expect it for the next candle. It's going up to the positive way. It's the same right here. 3 times in the resistance line and starts to go down. Right? So mark a clear support resistance zone. Look for levels where price has reacted strongly in the past. You can use Bollinger Bands or you can trace your own line. Okay? A resistance one as a red or support one as green. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Wait for the third tote. The first and second totes confirms the zone, but the third tote is where the setup becomes interesting. All right, confirm loss of strength. That's important. You can see that. Okay, when you just make that, you can then find all the time the candle losing strength. Look at this, right? Okay, low wicks, shadow show rejection, small candle bodies indicator indecision. Enter on the short reaction. If this resistance enter the put option at the third tote, or if the support enter the call option after the third tote. Okay, so with this, guys, just try to imagine it. Price is approaching the resistance level. The first tote rejects strongly. The second tote also rejects. On the third, the candle forms along the upper wick and a small body. You can then find that all the time. It's like the climax. Showing weakness. Okay, that's our signal. We enter the put option expecting a short reaction downward. The same logic applies to the support. 3 totes, signals weakness, and then a call option for the bounce. Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And that is the best way to use that. That's very simple and that's very strong. That's good to use with your indicators. So to recap all this, identifying a clear support resistance zone and have this is good. Wait for the third tote, the third candle, guys. All right. Look for the wick and look for the body. Confirm a weakness with candle partner. Enter on the short reaction. The triple tap reversing is a simple but powerful way to catch short moves in buying options, right? Remember, discipline and patience and the key, and wait for the third tote in confirmation before entering. All right. So that's it, guys. Just write your opinion in the comments. If you just like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please. And I wish you a good profit. Have a good one, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. See you.